day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two wearables, the Redmi Watch 5 Active and the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And on this video review, we are going to compare one of its features, that is the health section. So we are going to check for the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring of this wearable. As you can see, we do have the heart rate and the blood oxygen, and we will compare the results of the active and Lite Smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the results of the heart rate monitoring and want to know if which one is much faster in providing details or results, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the health section of the Redmi Watch 5 versus the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, so let's check for the heart rate here. Let's see. So if you're not going to wear it, it will alert you that you are not wearing the wearable properly. How about for our Watch 5 Lite? The same. Okay, again, let's see. One back. There's the heart rate. Let's see. And the same results. Okay. Now, let's check our heart rate with our Watch 5 Active and the Watch 5 Lite. So let's go to the heart rate section and let's see. So the same layout here or UI. We'll see if they will have the same results. 81, 83. Yes, the same. I think the same results here. 82, 83, 84. And I guess they are using the same sensor. 79, 80, 82, 83. So just see minor difference here. So which is faster? I think it's just the same. Okay. There are times that there's a delay for our Watch 5 Active, and there are times that the Redmi Watch 5 also do have a delay when it comes to providing results. But in terms of the results here, I think it is just the same. As you can see here. So the same results for the heart rate monitoring, and as you can see here, they provide the same information. Let's see. So we do have here the heart rate. Again. And as you can see here, so this is our Watch 5 Active. I noticed something here. We do have the details here, the 30-day results and settings and learn more. While for the Watch 5 Lite, it is more detailed here. We do have the heart rate zone with a light, intensive, anaerobic, and VO2 max. And we have here the 30-day results for the heart rate. Okay, so there's an additional information here which is not available here in our Redmi Watch 5 Active, as you can see. Okay, do you see the difference here? We do have the heart rate zone, but we don't have it here in our Watch 5 Active. Okay, but anyways, they provide the same results for the heart rate. Okay, then next for our blood oxygen, let's check. Blood oxygen. So measure, okay, the same number of odd, or I press or tap on the screen at the same time. So let's see. They have the same results, and as you can see, the same speed, I think. Calibrating. Okay, much faster for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, as you can see. But just a minor difference, I think. Again. Measure. Keep still. Measuring. And let's wait. Calibrating, we do have a different results here. 98%. Maybe the position of the smartwatch, as you can see here. Again, we'll align it properly. And we have here measuring, keep still. We'll do it also with the heart rate. We will go back to the heart rate monitoring. %, 94. Okay, they have a closer results here when it comes to blood oxygen monitoring. 92 and 91, 92%. 93%. I think the other one is 92. Okay, just a minor difference, I think. Okay, because of the position of the smartwatch. But overall, I think it's just the same. Okay, the same time for our heart rate here. Let's see. 3, 81, 79. The same as you can see here. Okay. So I guess we do have the same heart rate monitoring when it comes to accuracy, and I guess it is also using the same sensor here, the same hardware. Okay, so there's no difference for the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring with the Redmi Watch 5 active versus our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So that's it for the health monitoring function. Okay, comparison of our Redmi Watch 5 Active versus the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!